Oh, my camera's about to die. Alrighty, we are back with a full battery. Let me turn this around. Oh god, I look so bad right now. So I just took off all my makeup, my face makeup, because I just got home. But today I thought it would be fun to do a little self-care type vlog video. I'm going to make a list of what I need to do because if I don't do that, I'm gonna forget some things. So let's go make a list. So the list is gonna be cleaning my room, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing, which I actually got today. I'm wearing this green top from Urban Outfitters. Has just like a really cute low scooping neck. If you can see through it, I'm not wearing a bra, so sorry. And then I'm wearing some biker shorts. I don't know how I feel about these, so let me know in the comments what you think about them. I don't know, I kind of feel like they're not for me, but we're gonna try them out because I've been really wanting some just to try out. So I got these, they were on sale at Aerie for $12, which was super sick, so didn't really have to spend a lot of money. And then I also got a bunch of other stuff from Urban, which I'll show you, and Target, because I got a lot of Christmas stuff, so I'll show you that stuff also. But let's go make a list.
Self-care list. First thing, we're going to clean room, wash, face, press, face, mask, whitening, strip, self-tanner because I'm so pale right now, make a healthy snack.
My face looks super patchy right now because it is so dry, so I definitely need to moisturize it. But we need to start cleaning up my room because it is an absolute mess. You guys have seen that video I've done before, or if you haven't, it's somewhere on my channel where I cleaned my disaster of a room. But this is not that bad, but it's gotten pretty bad. So this is my room right now. It just has like a lot of clothes everywhere. There's a lot of stuff up there and on the floors and up here. I definitely just need to get all that stuff off the floor and put into place, and then I can start cleansing and feeling better about my workspace and my living space because it won't be as cluttered. So let's get started. First, I want to show you guys all the stuff I got from Target and Urban and Aerie. I got this from Urban and the biker shorts from Aerie. I also got this adorable freaking skirt. Oh my god. It was on sale for $29 and I just think this is like a perfect Thanksgiving skirt. Like, tell me I'm wrong. It's like this really cool blanket pattern and it's a wrap skirt and it has this really cute buckle on it. I'll do a little try on for you guys so you can see what it looks like, but that's that. I also got this pair of jeans since winter is approaching, even though these have like huge holes in it, so that won't really keep me warm, but they're super cute. So I got these from Urban. They're adorable. They're like mom jeans style with the big holes, super baggy, super grunge, cute, and yes. Then from Aerie, I like have no sweatshirts. I have no clue why. So I got this, which was also on sale. I think it was like either $15 or $20. This oversized blue hoodie. This is actually a size small, extra small. So they're like supposed to be oversized and it's super cute. I just really love this color, so thought it'd be a nice hoodie to grab. Then to Target, where I bought a ton of Christmas stuff. So I got this really cute star pillow to put on my bed, and then this super cute Christmas tree, sparkly, and it comes like in this little stack, and it was so cute. This was $3 and the pillow was $5. I also got two smaller trees that are sparkly as well. Oh, there we go. These were each $1 in the like Five Below section at Target. I also grabbed these two sock packets, I guess, and they each come with 3 socks in them, and they're so cute. They were each $3. This is like a more neutral color, and then these are like colorful colors, so whatever I'm feeling, if I'm feeling neutral or colorful, and I think these would be super cute for me to wear to work or just anywhere. Okay, then I got the cutest thing ever. It's this set at Target, and it was like $27, but it came with this really fuzzy sweatshirts, and it's so cute, and Then it came with these pants with it. It all came as a set, and they have little sandals on them. But I got the medium because I wanted this to be oversized. So I'm probably gonna give these to my mom. And then a while ago, I got these at Target as well, probably like a month ago, so they probably still have them. But I got these separate, and so this is what I'm gonna be wearing with them. And then my mom got a cute new pair of shorts too. And then it also came with these little socks, and the bottoms are really dirty because I haven't cleaned my floor in a while. And lastly, in the box, it came with this little sleep mask, which I'm probably the only one that like actually uses sleep masks. Comment down below if you use them, but like I really like it being super dark. So I actually use sleep masks, so this is gonna be so cute to use during the winter time. And then it also, you can like go up on the sequins, and it says ho 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 in red too, which is so cute. I just love that. And then the last thing I got was this box of starlights, which I actually already put up, and it kind of looks bad just because I'm like really bad at like decorating, doing that type of stuff. But I'll show you guys anyways, because I bet somebody else could make them look really cute, or use them like, I don't know, in like a jar or like a vase and put like flowers in it, or like some centerpiece. I don't know, it's really cute, and I'll show you guys. So this is them. It just, like I said, it looks kind of bad the way I put them up, but they're so adorable. Like, I just love it. I think it's so adorable, and it just makes my room look a little more festive. And I don't have any cute lights in my room, which I wanted to get some lights, so that'll be just cute to have. Now we're gonna just start cleaning up my room because it is a mess, and I don't want to live in a mess, so let's get to that. I forgot to show you guys, I also recently got the black platform Doc Martens, and let me tell you, this is the best purchase I've ever bought. They are the cutest things ever, and I love them so much. I do have blisters on my feet because if you have dogs, you know you have to break them in, and it's so annoying, but definitely love these. They look so good with everything. So yeah, if you're looking for a really good pair of boots, definitely get these. And also I wanted to share, I got $10 off when I bought these because I got this app called Unidays. So if you're in college, definitely get that app because it has coupons for so many different stores, and even if it's just something like $10, that helps a lot because that's $10 more in your pocket. So definitely go get the app Unidays. This isn't sponsored or anything, I just think it's a really cool app. So yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys. Okay, so I just made my bed, got everything off it. Now I have to do the top of the bed there. So let's get into it. Alrighty, now that that's all cleaned off, I'm gonna put those cute little trees that I just bought on it. Now this side of my room is done. It looks so cute. Also, yes, I have stuffed animals, but my boyfriend got me this, which is so cute, and when you press it, it says I love you from him. So got that at Build-A-Bear, and I really like it. But yeah, this is the room. Now time to tackle this area of my room. Okay, I'd say this part is pretty clean, so now we're gonna move on to my dresser area. Forgot to do a little overview, but here it is. And my makeup thing is a little bit messy, but I don't really feel like doing it right now, so we're gonna move on. So the last thing we have to tackle is my dresser area, so that is what we're gonna do now. All right, so here's the finished product of over here. I just have this all organized, and then there's the lights that I put up. And if you're wondering where this is from, it's from Five and Below. It was $5, so yeah. And then over here, this is the only thing that I'm gonna keep messy because it's just kind of like my junk pile. It has like all my school books and work stuff, so that's just gonna stay a little messy. I'm fine with that. But yeah, here's the finished product. Going back to the list, we can check off clean room, and next we have to wash face and put on a face mask. Okay, the rest of this video is gonna be not as good quality because I'm filming it on my phone because my camera just keeps messing up, which is really annoying. Okay, but we left off with me rubbing my face off with water after I washed it. Okay, after that, I pick out a face mask. Where is it? Ah, found it. It was in the back. Now we're gonna put on this face mask. I love the color of this one. It's Avocado and Oatmeal Clay Mask by Freeman. Putting on face mask is so like therapeutic, I think. Like I just love it, but taking it off is that was not expected. Oh my god, that is so scary. Okay, so now that this is done, I'm gonna wash this off my hands. Wash face and do face mask. Next is whitening strips. Oh my god, I definitely cannot talk while doing those, so I think I'm gonna do that last. And I want a healthy snack before that. So we're gonna kind of switch it up a bit. I'm gonna do a healthy snack now, then self-tanner, then whitening strips. Alrighty, let's go off to the kitchen to make a snack. Welcome to Fiona the Ogre's cooking show. Oh my god, I'm wearing like a green top too. That so works. Have y'all been watching those TikTok dances? I'm like obsessed with TikTok. You guys should go follow me. I don't really make very good ones, but I try. But like, TikTok has just like taken over. Like it's so fun. Woo! Just love them. So good. Taking over my brain though. All right. Snack. Why does the fridge never have anything? I know what I'll make. Can you see me? Alrighty, so I'm gonna be making peanut butter toast. Alrighty, so first I'm gonna start by cutting up the banana. Oh, I forgot to tell you the ingredients you need. You need a banana, peanut butter, and toast. Woo! Hat. Okay, now here's how you do it. It's pretty complicated, so watch step by step closely or else you might mess it up. So you're gonna take your peanut butter. That's kind of a lot, honestly. Okay, so about that much, you see that? Okay, and then you're just gonna lightly spread it, not too hard, not too soft, over your piece of toast. This is for skilled chefs only, so if you're just starting out, wouldn't recommend this. Yeah. So after that, you lick the knife. And be very careful when you do this. Only do it if it's a butter knife. I should not be telling you to lick knives. Don't lick the knife, but if you want to, maybe. But if you don't, maybe you get parental supervision. I don't know. Anyways, after that, you're gonna take your little banana pieces and you're just gonna arrange them on the toast however you like. This is the freehand part. Just pile them on there however you want. Make it your own. Oh, ew, it got some face mask on it. Yes, I ate it, I don't care. Here's what your toast should look like. Voila. Wow. Sitting on top of the toaster and it did that. That is so bad. This is why it says for experts only. Please don't do that at home. Please don't burn down your house. I almost did. Okay, we're gonna check off healthy snack nap. Now, these are the things I never wanna do. Like, I know it will make me look better, but it's just like so time consuming. I just don't ever wanna do it. Okay, I'm super lame, so I'm skipping the teeth whitening because I can't really see with the phone in my face. So we're gonna skip that because I just don't really wanna do it. And then we're gonna go to self-tanner. Since I'm doing self-tanner, I'm gonna hang up now because, this is a FaceTime call. I'm going to end the video here because I don't want you to see me naked while I self-tan. I hope you guys had a good time hanging out with me. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and I will see you next video. Who knows when that will be, hopefully soon. I have a few planned. Let's see if I can do them. Okay, bye guys, love you.